This is known as First Fridays. The first Friday of each month, about 50 food trucks roll through here. You can hear all of them have their little electric generators going. It's very noisy, but it's very fun. And the last stall of the day is right behind me. This food truck known as Endless Hostabilities. You get it? It's a play on words. They're having fun. How about you have a little fun too? Take it easy in the comments. Here, they're selling all kinds of pasta, but it's not about the pasta as much as the way they serve the pasta. Let's go inside and I'll show you. Right now, I am in the food truck with Ryan of Endless Hostabilities. It's a clever name. How'd you come up with that?
Me and my clever wife came up with that.
A little bit more you, or a little bit more the clever wife?
I think more of her.